Hello and welcome to you all. My name is Emanuele Armaforte and today I will talk to you about the facilities that we have at CAFRE Loughry Campus. I have to say that putting this presentation together was not an easy task, and the main and simple reason for this is that we just have so much here at Loughry. We really are spoiled with choices for equipment and facilities, and I hope that with this presentation I can give you a flavor of the range of equipment that we have on site. This is our main campus. As you can see, all the buildings are surrounded by beautiful landscape of grassland and paths with trees which make for excellent lunchtime walk. This is the Food Technology Center, which is the main feature of our campus and includes an amazing, incredible range of food processing equipment. That is the Food Innovation Center, which was specifically designed to provide supportive facilities for new product development projects. We have a science building with chemistry lab, a food education building with microbiological lab and lab for texture analysis, a packaging development building, and last but not least, our recreation center with a fully equipped gym available to all our students and staff. This is the main entrance for the Food Technology Center. In this building we have classrooms, meeting rooms, we have a library with an amazing range of books and scientific journal, as well as desks and computer that you can use to work on your assignment in a quiet environment. But obviously the main feature of the Food Technology Center is our food hall, with its incredible range of food processing equipment. I do believe that our students are really lucky because thanks to this building they get the chance to have a first-hand practical approach and experience with all this food processing equipment. Our local food industry really values our students and appreciate the knowledge and the technical skill that we teach them. I also like to say that our students after graduation, they are industry ready. And with that, I mean that they will feel comfortable in using food processing equipment, and they also will feel confident in any food production area. Our Food Technology Center is divided into four main sections. We have the dairy section with lots of different equipment to produce ice cream, cheese, hard cheese, soft cheese, yogurt, butter. We also have a meat-specific section. It was very challenging to put all the information just in the one slide, but just to give you flavor, we have bowl chopper to grind and mince the meat, producing burgers and sausages. We also have brine multi-injectors and specific ripening cabinets to produce cured meats such as bacon, parma ham and chorizo. The main feature of our bakery section is the Rion machine here on the top left, which basically is a co-extruder and allows for the production of filled products such as tomatoes and cheese dough balls. But as well as that, you will find all those type of equipment that you would expect to find, such as mixer, ovens and dough shaper. Finally, we have the fruit and vegetable section, which includes equipment for size reduction, stir frying and searing, centrifugal dryer. We have a Stefan mixer for the production of emulsion, sauces and soups. And we also have a fully equipped brewing room, which basically allows us to produce up to 400 liters of beer per batch. As a final year student, you will be given the chance to choose your own research project, so there will be a choice of titles, and we strongly encourage you to choose a title that suits your particular interest, because after that you will get a tailored approach and a tailored practical experience on using equipment that is specifically designed to suit your particular project. This is the Food Innovation Center, as I said, specifically designed for new product development purposes. Within this building we have top-notch, state-of-the-art sensory analysis facilities. We have a packaging prototyping room and also a range of kitchens for the development of food products at a kitchen level. I do not want to say too much about the Food Innovation Center, and the reason for that is that just for you, I have created a virtual tour of the Food Innovation Center. So together with this video, I will post a link for that particular virtual tour, and please click on that link and browse, explore the building, and sure, let me know your thoughts about this virtual tour. Finally, to finish off this presentation, I would like to just quickly mention other facilities that we have on site. We have microbiological lab to test to test the shelf life and the stability and safety of food products. We have a chemistry lab for the analysis of food composition. We have a packaging technology lab where we can test gas composition within the pack if we used modified atmosphere packaging, for example, but we can also test the resistance and the performances of packaging through transport and its shelf life. And finally, our recreation center, which, as I said, has a fully equipped gym with rowing machine, treadmills, weights, a pool table and a tennis table room as well to keep you fit in between lectures. Folks, there would be so much that I could say about our facilities at Loughry. I could really talk all night about it, but with this presentation I just wanted to give you a flavor of what we can do. And I just hoped I tickled your curiosity with it, because if I managed to tickle your curiosity, well folks, you really have to come and see all our facilities with your own eyes. We are really looking forward to meeting all of you, and we hope that we get the chance to show you all our facility and let you use them as well. So if you have any questions or queries about this presentation, please comment on this video. Thank you very much for your attention.